In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your site on Squarespace. Adding audio to your website can create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Whether you're featuring a podcast, sharing a song, or setting the mood with background music, Squarespace makes it simple to embed audio directly into your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload and place an audio block in the perfect spot on your page. So let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, select the website you'd like to work on. This will take you to your site's main editing hub where all the magic happens. Next, click the Edit button. This is essential because it allows you to enter editing mode, which is where you can make changes to the layout and content of your site. Without this step, you won't be able to modify your page, so don't skip it. Now, locate the area on your page where you'd like to add music. Take a moment to decide the best placement for your audio, whether it's at the top of the page to grab attention or further down to complement other content. Once you've found the right spot, it's time to add the audio block. Scroll through your block options in the editor and look for the audio block. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks for different types of content, and the audio block is specifically designed for embedding music or other audio files. When you find it, select it. Now drag and drop the audio block to your desired location on the page. This is as simple as clicking and holding the block, then moving it to the exact spot where you want your audio to appear. Make sure it's positioned in a way that feels natural and aligns well with your other content. Once your audio block is in place, double-click it. This will open the upload prompt where you can add your audio file. To upload your track, browse your computer and choose the correct file. Ensure your file is in a supported format such as MP3. If it's not, you'll need to convert it before uploading. Also, double-check that you've selected the right file to avoid any confusion later on. When you've selected your file, click Open to start the upload process. Now, keep in mind that the upload time may vary depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection. Be patient and monitor the progress bar to ensure the upload completes successfully. Once the upload is finished, wait for Squarespace to process the file. When everything looks good, it's time to save your changes. Click the Save button to lock in your updates. This ensures that your audio block is fully added to your site and ready to go. After saving, exit Edit mode to return to the regular site view. This will allow you to preview your page, as visitors will see it. Finally, test your audio block by clicking the Play button. This step is crucial to ensure your track plays correctly. If the audio doesn't play, check that the file format is supported and try re-uploading it if necessary. Sometimes, refreshing the page can also fix minor glitches, so don't worry if things don't work perfectly right away. And that's how you add music to your site on Squarespace. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded audio into your page, enhancing your site's overall experience. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.